Okay, so we can start. Good evening everyone. Let's start the DSS of logarithm. Now before starting that, I will recall everything. Okay. So for your sake, I will recall each and every property once again. I will recall each and every property once again. So let us recall. I hope all of you remember Ayana, right? Before every class, we will recall what we have studied. Okay. So tell me, everyone, keep on saying, right? So it is recall.
Okay, sir.
Right? So first of all, what is log? So log is basically an operator which can convert my power into linear factor, right? Linear form. So I can say if I'm having a to the power x equal to b, right? X can be written as log b base a. Or if I'm having, right, vice versa, if I'm having y is equal to log w base v, so it can be written as w can be written as v to the power y. Yes or no? Yes or no? That is the basic derivation, right? That is the basic definition of log. Okay, right? Now, there's one more condition. The condition is, sir, if I'm having this log, so b is the value, right? This value should always be greater than 0. This value should always be greater than 0. That is the condition, right? This is the condition. And so value of a should also be greater than 0, and it should not be equal to 1, because we know 1 to the power anything, 1 to the power x is equal to 1, 1 to the power 2 is equal to 1. So 1 to the power anything is 1. So it is not defined. The log cannot be defined because x can be anything, right? That's why the base should not be equal to 1. Okay? So that is the basic definition. Now, when you talk about properties, right? Let us talk about properties. Okay, so properties. Now properties. So first property was log. Now whenever I'm writing log, base can be anything, right? Base can be anything. But here I'm not putting any base, right? No, Shivansh, I know that you guys know already, right? So let us just revise first. Jaldi. So it is log. You guys can message in the chat box. Log a into b is equal to, tell me, log a into b is equal to
log a plus log b.
very good. Log a plus log b. Base can be anything, but base should be same, right? Base should be same. Whatever the base is here, so I'll just say that base is suppose 10. So here also it should be 10. Here also it should be 10. So the condition is base should be same. Base should be same, right? Okay. Now, and vice versa. It means if I'm having log a plus log b, it can be written in terms of log a into b. Now, second property was log a by b. A by b is written as, tell me,
log a minus log b.
very good. Log a minus log b.
Log a minus log b.
Yes, correct. Okay, correct. Very good, Samarth. Shreya, you got it. So it is not log a minus b. No, it is not log a minus b. It is log a minus log b. Okay, it is not log a minus b. There's a difference, right? There's a difference. Okay, third one. Log, tell me, a to the power m is equal to what?
M log A.
M log a.
Very good. M log a.
M log a.
Yes, correct. Very good. Right. So in all these, the power, this base should be same. Base should be same, right? Fourth property. Log. Tell me, what was the fourth property? Tell me.
Log A base W equals to 1 by log
A equals
Very
to
good.
1 by log b base a.
Very good. Log a base b is log 1 by log b base a. Right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Fifth property, if I'm having log a base b, so this is equal to
Log a base c and log a.
Log a base c and log b by c.
1, right? It is 1 now. Okay. Do not just remember by the order, right? Log A base A is 1. Yes or no? Tell me. Log A base A is 1. Right, everyone? Anna?
Yes,
Any,
sir.
yes, anything for 1 is that same number. Now, 6. Log A base B. Now, this is what you were saying, right? It is written as log A base C by log B base C. Yes or no? Ayana,
sir.
Yes,
right?
sir.
This is one important formula that you need to remember because you generally tends to forget this, है ना? So star mark मैंने कर दिया because ये important है. Generally इसमें बच्चे confuse होंगे. हम लोग आज इस पे promise करेंगे, right? Now seventh property. I hope all of you remember. Log A to the power m base B to the power n is equal to
Sir, mn log A
M
base
by
M by
n
N
log
log
A
A
base
base B.
M by N log A base B.
very good, correct. M by n log A base B. है ना? Now, what was property 8? Property 8 was A to the power log, right? B base A is equal to
B.
B,
Sir,
just
B.
B, just B, yes? है ना? Just B. That is the property, just B. So this is also one important property, जो generally भूल जाते हैं. So 6th and 7th, 6th and 8th, sorry, 6th and 8th, 7th also you can remember, right? So these three are kind of property which we generally tends to forget, right? So focus on these, है ना? And ninth is also a very simple one. Log 1, base can be anything. Base can be anything is equal to what?
zero.
Log 1 is 0. Very good, correct. So these are the properties that we have studied. Hi, Anna. Okay.
Sir.
Yes. Anyone have any doubt till these points?
Sir, I'm having doubt in 8th property.
8th property. See again, right? We have discussed it, na? Right? I'll prove 8th property once again. So let us take A to the power log B base A, है ना? As Y. ठीक है? Right? Can you do that? Hi, Anna. And this whole thing is a power, right? This whole thing is actually a power of A. Yes or no? This whole thing is power of A. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So can I say, sir, let us take log B base A as X. Hi, Anna. Right? Power को
Yes,
एक
sir.
कर दूं, मान लिया ना मैंने. So don't you think so it will become A to the power X is equal to Y? Where X is equal to log A base B. Hi, Anna.
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Convert this into power. Can you say so it will become 8 to the power X is equal to B? Hi, Anna.
Yes, sir.
Base is A, power is X. So 8 to the power X is equal to B. Now, if 8 to the power X is equal to B and 8 to the power X is equal to Y, can I say, sir, 8 to the power X is equal to Y is equal to B. So Y is equal to B. Yes or no? Proved.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it, everyone?
Sir, how did you take A to power X is equal to B?
See, again, 8 to the power X, it is something that we assume na log B base A is equal to X, right? So using the basic definition, right? If Y is equal to log W base V, so W is V to the power Y, na? This is base, this is power. In the same way here, right? A is base, X is power. A is base, X is power. So can I write like this? 8 to the power X equal to B. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hi, Anna.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right? So let us solve some problems. Now today's DSS. So we have already done this. We have already done the session 1, right? If you remember last class, now we have already done session 1 in Kahoot. So session 1, see, I hope all of you remember these questions. Hi, Anna, these questions, right? These questions. Anna, yes or no? Kahoot, in Kahoot?
Yes, sir.
Anna,
Yes, sir.
right? So we have already covered this session. So remaining question of this session will be your homework, and I will be asking these questions in the test, right? Okay. So first session consists of 23 problems. We have already discussed 9, 10 problems in this. We have already discussed 10 problems in this. So 13 problem is homework, right? Now, this session 2 we are going to discuss today. Okay, we are going to discuss session 2 today. So session 2 is based on this property. So I hope all of you remember this property. Log m base a is equal to log m base b whole divided by log a base b. Yes or no? Which property is this? Adarsh, for first test, right?
Fifth property.
If you practice conceptually, then 50% problem will be same. I'll tell you, 50% will be the same. Same means not exactly same. I will change some values so that you can just solve it, right? If you have solved it, then you would be able to solve. But I don't want you to copy. Okay, so I'll change something. Sixth property, very good. Now, very good, Mohil. So let us solve. Everyone will get time. Okay, right? Since these problems will take some time, that's why I didn't put right in Kahoot. Okay, so let us solve question number 1. I will discuss important questions which you need to solve, conceptual problems. So everyone solve question number 1. Everyone solve question number 1. I'll give you 2 minutes for every problem. I'll give you 2 minutes. Right? Piyush, don't worry about that. Okay, I will solve this. For you guys. Now, think about it. You must be thinking, sir, what needs to do? But answer is yes, very good. I've already told you that we need to use property 6. Very good, Shirsha, very good. Okay, very good, Shirsha. So property 6. So I can say, sir, log b base a can be written as log b by log a. Base can be anything, right? So I'm just leaving the base as 10, right? I'm just leaving the base. Yes or no? In the same way, log c base b can be written as, see how easy this question was. Log c by log b. See how easy this question was. In the same way, log d base c can be written as log d by log c. Now, can you solve this? Tell me, can you solve this now, guys? Now now it is easy. Very good, Varsha. Now it is multiplied. Na? So I can say, sir, this can be written as, right, log A by, sorry, this is log B now. So this is can be written as log B by log A. Think about it, how easy this question is. Log B by log A into log C base B, which is this, log C by log B into this log D by log C. Now, tell me, now is this difficult? Think about it. Very good, Shivans, very good, Sangvi. Think about it, yes or no? I hope all of you are getting this. Sir, log C getting cancelled. Right? Log B getting cancelled. So we are left with log
is log C.
by, very good, log A na? Log D by log A, which is log D base A. So the answer is B. Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me. Think about it. Anyone have any doubt in this? Clear? Tell me. Clear? Haan ya na?
Yes, sir.
Right? Everything was there, right? We just have to think how to use this property. Okay. Right? Done? Okay. So don't you think, sir, question number 2 is same as question number 1?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
question number 2 will be homework. Now, question number 3. Don't you think, sir, question number 3 is also same as question number 1?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Right? Question
Yes, sir.
is also
Yes,
same as
sir.
same property. Right? Now, let us see question number 5. Let us see question number 5. Everyone, question number 5. Think about question number 5. Think about question number 5. Think about question number 5. So I will write it down. Okay, I will write it down for you guys. So since this is a problem solving, so I will help you, right? I will help you. So I can say, sir, it is, the question is log 7 base 2 whole divided by 1 plus log 3 base 2. Now think, भाई करना क्या है? What to do? What to do? Tell me, Varsha, Muhil, Shivansh, Tejas,
Second property.
tell me.
Sir, third property.
Third property, okay? Anyone else? Anyone else? Think about it. Think. What is the first step?
Sir,
Because
log 2 by 10 is equal to 0.3 and log 3 by 10 is equal to 0.4.
again, right? But what about this? You don't have to convert. You don't have to find the value. You have to convert in these forms, right?
Sir, sixth property.
Six property. Six property. Yes. Six
property
required. Six properties required. But there's one more thing. First of all, one is there now. How? What to do with this one? My question should be, sir, what to do this with one? If this one would not be there, then it would have been easy. Yes or no? Yes or no? Sir, ये one नहीं होता, then this problem would have been easy. Agree? If this one would not be there, then I can directly use reverse of property 6. Yes? Agree?
Sir.
Now we have this one. What to do with this one?
So take it common.
How can you take it common, right? It is one, na? So again, I have told you one property, right? See, can you see property 5? Tell me, can you see property 5? Yes or no?
Now we can do log 2 base 2.
Very good, very good. Who was that? Who said this?
Sami Shivansh.
Very good, Shivansh, right? Hannah, very good. So I can write like this, sir. Let the numerator be as it is, and 1 can be written as log 2 base 2. Yes or no? Hi, Hannah, yes or no? Right? Yes or no? Very good.
Sir, how, sir?
See again, 1. See property 5. Now property 5 is what? Log A base is equal to 1. Yes or no? Hi, Anna. And here you have base as 2. So can I write log 2 base 2 as 1? So instead of 1, can I write it as log 2 base 2?
Yes, sir, yeah.
That is intuition, right? That is how we have to think, right? That's why it is difficult to think. Now, which property to use here? Tell me, which property to use here? Think about it. Which property can we use over here?
Sir, property first.
Property 1. Very good,
Property
Shivan.
1.
Property.
Property.
Yes. Very good. Very good. So can I say that, sir, let numerator be same. Now this can be written as log. Now log A plus log B is log A into B. So 2 into 3 is 6 base 2.
Sir,
Right? Now, I guess all of you can get the answer now. What is the answer? Tell me. Next step will be the answer. Next step, which property? Next step,
Log
which
7.
Log
base
7 by 11.
Log
Log
7.
7 base 6.
Very good. Very good. Log 7 base 6. Which is reverse of property 6. Hi, Anna. Very good, Adarsh. Everyone is getting this concept. Tell me, everyone is getting
Yes,
this
sir.
concept.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So write
Yes,
it down.
sir.
Write it in your notebook that this is a concept, right? Okay. Yes, Mohil, I will explain once again. So let us think about the challenges. So first, sir, we have this problem. How to solve it? Sir, I cannot directly use property 6. Cannot directly use property 6. Right? Why, sir? 1 is there. 1 is there. Okay, so I have to remove this. I have to convert this whole thing into one log, right? How to do that? Question, ask yourself, how to do that? Okay, sir, I'm having a base 2 over here, right? I'm having a base 2 over here. I can say 1 can be written as log 2 base 2, which is property 5. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, sir, base is same. log A plus log B can be written as, tell me Muhil, log A plus log B can be written as log A into B. So 3 into 2 will be 6. Right, very good. Now this is the reverse of property 6. Now log 7 base 2 divided by log 6 base 2 is log 7 base 6. Done? Clear? समझ में आ
Yes,
गया?
sir.
Right, very good. Think. Okay, think. ठीक है? चलो. Next. So, okay, so 6. Question number 5 done. 5 done. Now 6 is same as 1. Standard. I'll just make a standard reference, right? Reference how to solve it. So 6 is same as 1. Hai? I hope all of you can solve 6. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. 7 is also same as 6. Yes or no? Tell me. Right? Now 8. Think about it. Can you solve question number 8? Let us think. How many of you think that you can solve 8? 8 is a good problem. 8 is a good problem, right? 8 uses 3 properties. In question number 8, we will use 3 properties. So I am discussing the questions in which more properties are used. Hai na? So everyone see question number 8. I'm discussing all the conceptual problems. Okay? I'm discussing all the conceptual problems. In question number 8, right? In question number 8, first of all, ask yourself, can I use any property over here? Tell me. Think about it. Can I use any property over here directly? Very good, Rohan. Correct. Very good. Fourth
Property
property.
4.
Very good. Property 4. Right. So first, let us calculate. Right. Let us write. Sir, y is equal to 2 to the power. Right. 2 to the power 1 by log 8 base x. Now, I will recall, sir, 1 by log 8 base x. It can be written in terms of log, yes or no? Yes or no? Right? Yes or no? Let us see. Let us see which property. Let us see which property. Sir, 1 by wala, which property? Sir, property 4, yes or no? Ayana.
Yes, sir.
Property 4, first property 4, and others. Property 8 we have to use, but first property 4. Right? Because in order to use property 8, it should be in the form of log, na, and base should be equal. Remember, right? This and this should be equal. Base should be equal to use property 8. है ना? So यहाँ पे हम directly नहीं use कर सकते ना. See, first of all, it is not in the form of log directly, and second, base is also not same. ठीक है? So use property 4. This is, you have to think. क्वेश्चन देखकर ये समझ में आना चाहिए what you can do and what we cannot do. Clear है? Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If someone is giving you 2, 4 is equal to what? Tell me. Right? Your question should be, sir, what is this? Is it multiply? Is it plus? Is it minus? Right? That should be understood now first. Then only you
Yes,
should
sir.
do. Okay, so you should know exactly each and every formula. What is the limitation? What is the condition? When you can use this formula, right? Very good. So after using property 2, don't you think it can become 2 to the power? Now it will be what? Log x base 8. Now, still, can I use property 8 here? Tell me. Muhil, tell me. Adarsh, can I use property 8 here?
No, sir.
No, right? Very good. No, I cannot use property 8. Why? Sir, this is 2, this is 8. This is 2, this is 8, right?
Sir, but it is 2 cube.
But yes, very good. I can use which property, sir? But I can use property 7. Hai na? I can use property 7. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Very good. So let us use property 7. Property 7. So after using property 7, I can write like this. Y is equal to 2 to the power log x 2 cube. Now this 2 cube can be written as 2 to the power 1 by 3 log x base 2. Now can I use property? Can I use property 8? Tell me, can I use property 8?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No, I cannot use property 8
1
yet.
by 3 is there.
Yes, 1 by 3 is there. Yes or no, Hannah? See, 1 by 3 is there, right? So I have to take 1 by 3 inside. Yes or no? Again, I have to take 1 by 3 inside.
So can we give 1 by 3 to y side?
No, no. How can we keep 1 by 3 into y side? Okay, you mean by this side? Yes, you can do. You
Yes,
can do.
sir.
It will become what? Y cube, right? It will become what? Y cube is equal to 2 to the power log x base 2. This you are saying, na? Yes, this you can do, right? This you can do. And because what you're doing is you're just multiplying both sides by 3. Or you can do like this. 2 to the power log. Now, since it is 1 by 3, now it will become x to the power 1 by 3. Yes or no? Base 2. Right? Both are same. Agree? Tell me yes or no. Adarsh? First step you didn't get Adarsh? See, first step is property at 8 Adarsh. 1 by log 8 base x can be written as log x base 8. That is first step. That is first step. ठीक है? समझ में आया आदर्श? Right? है ना? Now tell me. Now can I use property 8? Now can I use property 8? हाँ या ना? Yes, sir. Now you can use property 8. है ना? Now I can use property 8. Right? है ना? Sir, because this and this are same. In this case also, this and this are same. So this right can be written. So either y cube is equal to x or y is equal to x to the power 1 by 3. Both are same. Yes or no? Hi Anna, both are same. Correct? So that is your answer. Anyone have any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Anyone have any doubt in this? Right? So is it different? No, sir. It is same. Nah? Y is equal to x power 1 by 3 or x is equal to y cube. It is same. So this is the concept. Okay, this is the concept. I'll explain again one by one. Okay. First of all, you should remember all the basic properties. Okay. Now, by seeing this problem, my first question should be, sir, which property I can use directly, right? Which property I can use directly? Tell me. Everyone, I'm explaining this again because this is a good problem. Tell me, Mohil. Tell me, Amrit. Tell me, Adarsh. By seeing this problem, which property I can use directly? Tell me. Which is the first property that I can use directly without any modification?
Property 4.
Property 4, right, sir? Because it is 1 by log 8 by x. So I can use property 4 first. So I use property 4. So I will get this. After using property 4, I will get this. Everyone got this? Haan ya na? Sabko samajh mein aaya? Everyone got this? Raise your hand.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, again, sir, it is something similar to property 8. Yes or no? Right? Ask yourself. We should think, sir, it is something similar to property 8. But sir, base is not same, sir. Here it is 2, but here it is 8. So I need to convert this 8 into 2. Anna. Right? So I will remember, okay, I'm having one property. Which property is this? Sir, it is property, tell me, property 7. Property 7. Right? Anna, property 7. Got it, Mohil? Right? Amrit, Adarsh, Shreya, Tejas, Varsha, Shivansh,
Yes,
Shamli,
sir.
Rohan, Pratiksha, Piyush, Zelin, Mishka, Samarth, Rohit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Hannah, ask. If you ask yourself and if you have the formula, if you remember the property, then you will think and then you can able to solve. So after using property 7, this will become this 1 by 3 log x base 2. Now, can I use property 8? No, sir. Still I cannot use because this 1 by 3 should be removed from here. Hana, this 1 by 3 should be removed from here. So I can remove it by two methods. Either take this to x or multiply both, or take cube to both sides. So either you can write like this, y cube is equal to 2 to the power this, or y is equal to 2 to the power log x power 1 by 3 base 2 using fourth property. Okay? Then I guess easy. Then directly use property 8. Okay? Yes, Shivansh, what is the problem?
Sir, in test, if any question of this type will come, sir, it was very confusing that it was 2 raised to the power log 1 by log 8 base x, sir. It was looking like 2 log 8 and base x. So how we will get
Again,
that?
right? First of all, again, it is 2 to the power, right? Because everything is power. Okay? Don't worry. And I will write it. Okay? Okay, don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Right? See, last step is direct property. Last step is directly property. 2 to the power log 2, and this is x power 1 by 3. So last step is just property. A to the power log b base a is equal to just b. Okay? In the same way, a to the power log b base a is just b. ठीक है? समझ में आ गया? मोहिल, आदर्श, निष्का, right?
Yes,
A to the power log
yes,
b base
sir.
a is b. Okay, Mohil, right? After some practice, it will be easy. Okay. So I guess this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how many of you remember question number 9? How many of you remember question number 9? Raise your hand. Right? I guess now everyone can solve question number 9. Tell me. Yes. Now, can you solve question number 10? Tell me. Now, can you solve question number 10? Yes or no? Don't you think
Yes,
question
sir.
number 9 is same as question number 10? Question number 10 is same as question number 9?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना? Chalo, very good. So I will give you one problem to solve by yourself. Let us solve question number 11. Everyone solve question number 11. Tell me, everyone should solve. So I guess this is comparatively easy, है ना? Step by step. Very good, Varun. Very good, Samar. Very good, Rohan. Let us see. Sir, 8 power x is equal to b. B to power y is equal to c. And c to power z is equal to a. So let us start putting it now. So b is equal to 8 power x. Put it over here. Put it in this. Put the value of b from 1 to 2. Sir, 8 power x whole power y is equal to c. Yes or no? Hi, Anna. Tell me yes or no. Yes or no. Shreya, think about it, Shreya. श्रेया देखो एक बार. हाँ है ना, ये समझ में आ रहा है? Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now c, value of c is this. So this is equal to what? Sir, c is equal to 8 power xy. But now a is equal to c to power z. So c to power z is equal to a. Means this to the power z is equal to a. Right? 8 power x, y, z is equal to a. So what is this? What is x into y into z? Tell me.
Sir, 1.
1. Everyone is getting this? This was an easy problem. This has nothing to do with log. And that's why I gave you to solve it. This has nothing to do with log. Tell me, was this question, right, related with log? No, it is basically your concept of exponents and radicals. Okay? You can also take log, but why to make it complex, right? Why to make it complex? Okay. Now, from here onwards, we will solve each and every question. Okay? Because questions are good. Now, question number 12 is not that easy. Question number 12 is not that easy. Okay? Right? Question number 12. Let's solve question number 12. It is not that easy. Think about it. Question number 12. Everyone. Question number 11 was easy. That's why 11 was like a warm-up question for question number 12. है ना? 11th question was a warm-up question for question number 12. Let us solve question number 12. Everyone, let us solve question number 12. Take your time, take your time. Tell me, take your time. This is based on the property of exponents and radicals. Exponents and radicals. Okay, if your concept of exponents and radicals would be good, you would be able to solve this. If not, then you would be having some issues. Tell me. 8 power 2, again, Shivansh, log. What is the meaning of log? Log is power, as simple as that, right? So do not think it as a complex thing. Think it as a power, right? For example, first of all, you should have three things. Na? 8 power 2 is equal to what? 8 power 2 is equal to y. Then only you can write in log. Na? So this 2 is power. So 2 is power. 2 is equal to what? Log y base a. Got it? That is how you should write. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now let us start this. Let us start this. First is very easy. First of all, very easy, super easy. How it is super easy, sir? Sir, question, sir. Right? First of all, take anyone as a reference. Anyone as a reference. I'll take D as reference. हाँ या ना? Because किसी न किसी को reference मानना पड़ेगा ना, right? है कि नहीं? You cannot relate this with this, this with this, this with this. Take one as a reference. Anyone have any issue in this? Can I take D as a reference? Why I'm taking D as a reference? That question should be, sir, why I'm taking D as a reference? D as a base. Sir, देखो option देखो sir आप. A, C, D. तीनों में D का option है sir. Right? है ना? तो obviously है ना? That is a smart choice to do. Right? अगर आ गया तो इन तीनों में से कोई होगा. नहीं आया तो answer is B. काम खत्म. Yes or no? Tell me. Right? Yes or no? Because A, C and D are same. LHS देखो same है. So that's why I'll take D as a reference. So think about it. How easy this is. Can I write, so A square is equal to D to the power 6. I'm taking this as a reference. So can I say, sir, A is equal to D cube? Yes or no? Raise your hand. Hi, Anna. Yes or no? A is equal to D cube? Mohin, Adarsh, Rishika, sorry, not Rishika, Varsha, Jalin, Akash, Shivansh, Rohan, easy. In the same way, I'm taking D as a reference, right? I'm taking D as a reference. Sir, क्यों लेंगे difference? Option देखो sir, आप option देखो, है ना? Right? First दिमाग लगाएंगे ना? Very good. So B cube is equal to D to the power 6. So can I write, sir, B is equal to D square? Hi Anna. Tell me, hi Anna. Yes or no? Right? Very good. Yes, very good. See, in same way, C to the power 5 is equal to D to the power 6. So can I write, sir, C is equal to D to the power 6 by 5. अब ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो एक्सपोनेंट्स एंड रेडिकल्स की प्रॉपर्टी नहीं आ रही है हमें, है ना? हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी एक्सपोनेंट्स रेडिकल्स की प्रॉपर्टी देखी थी. Yes or no in class 8, in class 7, right everyone? Right? Everyone? Anyone have any doubt till this point? Tell me. Mohil, Varsha, Amrit, Nishka, Sanvi, Rohit, Tejas.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shrisha. ठीक है, चलो. Okay, very good. So now can I write Can I write, sir? What we have to find? What we have to find, sir? We have to find log A B C base D. Okay, sir. Write it down. Write it down. ठीक है, लिख दूंगा मैं. Log base D. A क्या है? Sir, A is D cube. Into B क्या है? Sir, B is D squared. Into C क्या है? Sir, it is D to the power 6/5. Now, what is this, guys? 8 power x into 8 power y into 8 power z is equal to what? Tell me, is equal to what? It is 8 power x plus y plus z. Yes or no, guys? Tell me. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
So can you add 3 plus 2 plus 6/5? 3 plus 2 plus 6/5, which is 5 plus 6/5, which is equal to 31/5. Anyone have any doubt in this? Very good, Mohil. So what is the answer? Now I guess our answer is clear. Yeah, answer is clear. Log d to the power 31/5 base d. Answer is very, very clear, right? Crystal clear. What is the answer? Tell me, which property now? Sir, property, tell me 3. So it is 31/5 log d by d. And d by d is 1. So it is 31/5. मैं तो थक गया. ठीक है, right? So what's the answer? How come it is A, B, Amrit? It is A, na? C. A, right, Amrit? Think about it. LHS देखो, LHS. हाँ या ना, LHS, right? So समझ में आया ये? बोलो, अच्छा लगा ये क्वेश्चन? Tell me, अच्छा लगा? मतलब कॉन्सेप्ट भी उतना हद नहीं यूज हुआ, बट क्वेश्चन भी अच्छा था, right? Okay. Chalo. Okay, very good. Now, 13. Can you solve 13? 13 you cannot solve, by the way. 13 you cannot solve now. ठीक है, 13 तुम लोग से नहीं solve होगा. Take it as a challenge because how many of you know this? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus ... n. This is a hint. This is a hint. This can be written as n into n plus 1/2. I guess all of you have written in, remember this or knew this in some way, right? We have some formulas since class 6. Sum of n natural number, sum of square of n natural numbers, sum of cube of n natural numbers, right? I don't know. I started studying these from class 5th, 6th. Okay, so you guys know this or not? If not, just note it. For question number 13, this is a hint. This is a hint. Okay, this is a hint. But again, this question is very easy. Now, this is also not used. Sorry, this is also not used. This question is very easy. This is also not used. My bad. I thought that this is used, right? But this is also not used. This is very easy. Okay. Yeah. Because it is a square, a cube. It is given, right? So the answer is very easy. Okay. Chalo. Next. Now, next we will solve question number 18. Why we will solve question number 18? Sir, because if I can solve question number 18, I can solve question number 16, question number 16, question number 15, and question number 14. I can solve all the 4 questions if I can solve question number 18. So I will take question number 18. Okay, everyone, think about question number 18. Everyone should think about question number 18. Right? We will take question number 18 as a challenge, right? And let's try to solve question number 18. Because if we can solve, if we can understand question number 18, then we can understand each and every problem before 18. Because actually we will be doing all those steps in question number 18 that needs to be used to solve 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay? So it's not one question, it is actually 4 questions. Very good. I guess everyone remembers this. Take everything one by one. Do not take a whole term, right? I'll give you a hint. Hint is, do not take whole term at once. Take one term at a time. Take one term at a time. Take this one term at a time. So I'll just take one term. 1 by 1 plus log a base b plus log c base b. Now tell me which property is used. Tell me, Muhil, very good. Which property? Very good, Muhil. Correct. है ना? Which
The one will
probability?
be log b base b.
Very good, very good. See how smart you guys are, right? Very good, है ना? So I can write 1. See, now you, whenever you see this one with this, you can use, right? You can use the concept. It can be written as log b base b. Yes or no? Plus log a base b plus log c base b. Now tell me which property, after this, which property is used? Tell me, everyone. After this, which property is used?
The property number 1.
Property number 1.
Very good, everyone. First property. So it is 1 divided by, now it is ABC na? Log ABC base B. Now tell me, after this, which property is used? After this, which property is used? Tell me.
Property 4.
C base ABC.
Property 4.
Very good, very good. Property 4, which is log B base ABC. Yes or no? हाँ या नहीं? यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया? Yes or no? Now tell me. This was the first term, right? What is the second term? So second term, I'll just write down the second term. Okay, I'll use different pen. Second term is 1 divided by, see, 1 plus log A base C plus log B base C. Can you write directly now? Can you write directly? Because it will be same as this now. So what it is this? What is the value of this? What would be the value of this?
Log c base abc.
Log C base ABC. Very good. Yes or no? Ayana. Directly, because sir, here base is C. So C base ABC. Anyone have any doubt in this? Anyone have any doubt in this? Till this point? Tell me. Muhin, Samarth, Sanvi, Nishka. In the same way, what is the third term? The third term is 1 plus log
A base abc.
Very good.
Log A base A.
Very good. Log A base ABC. Ayana. Yes or no? I guess now it is easy. Sir, now the question is log A base ABC plus log B base ABC plus log C base ABC. So what is the answer? Which property now we will be using?
Sir, property 1.
Property 1.
Property 1.
So it is log ABC base ABC. So answer क्या हो गया?
Answer is 1.
1. Easy.
Answer is 1.
अब समझ गए? Tell me. Now you're finding it interesting? So the answer is 1. See how the concepts are linked, right? What we are just using the concepts and the properties. Okay? Right? Don't worry, I'll send this notes. And obviously I'll upload the lectures also. Hai na? So tell me, can I solve question number 17? Tell me, can I solve question number 17? Just take your time. Can I solve question number 17? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Same as 18, na? Right? In the Logarithm ban gaya this. Can I solve question 16? Yes, sir. Same. It is going in backward direction, right? So one step back, this. One step back, this. One step back, right? You'll get the answer. Okay? Yes. Now, last question of today's class. Last question. Question number 20. Very good problem, right? Solve it, very good problem. Okay, very good means it is actually easy. It looks easy, but it is confusing. In calculation, it might be confusing. Okay? So everyone try this. Everyone, I'll give you 5 minutes. Try this. Everyone should try this. And don't worry, the test would be easy. Okay, so let us try, everyone. Let us try. So see how this question is. Very good, Muhil. Okay, Muhil, let us see. I think that You are getting correct answer, right? Let us check. So first of all, step one, sir, I have to make one reference. Yes or no? Let us take a reference, right? So reference is 1000. Let's take a reference as 1000. So 5 to the power x is equal to 1000. Yes or no? Yes or no? Right? So what is x? X is equal to, right? Or instead of that, it is better to, again, I'll tell you, it is better to have reference x is equal to log 1000 base 5. Yes or no? Right? Or 1 by x is equal to log 5 by 1000. Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt in this?
No, sir, no doubt.
Anyone have any doubt in this? No clear?
No, sir.
Or this can be also written as, so it can also be written as 1 by 3 log 5 base 10. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 1 by x is 1 by 3 log 5 base 10. That is clear. Okay, very good. Now what about this second property? Second point. 0.5 to the power y is equal to 1000. Now think about it, sir. This is also same. Now, sir, y is equal to what? Tell me. Y is equal to what?
10 to the power 3.
Log, yes. Log 10 to the power 3 base 0.5. ठीक है? हाँ या ना? हाँ या ना?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Right? So I can write it as, sir, this can be written as, right? 3 log 10 base 5 by 10. Anyone have any issue in this?
No, sir.
Anyone have any issue in this? No? Step by step. There are multiple methods, right? There are multiple methods to solve. No issues in that, right? We'll discuss all the methods. So 1 by y can be written as, tell me, 1 by 3, है ना? Log 5 base 10, 5 by 10 base 10, yes or no? हाँ या ना? यहाँ तक किसी को दिक्कत है? Tell me, anyone have a doubt until this point?
No, sir.
No, sir.
ठीक है? चलो, okay, very good. Now what we have to find? Sir, we have to find 1 by x minus 1 by y. Yes or no? Which is 1 by 3 log 5 base 10 minus. What is log a by b? Tell me. What is log a by b? So it is log a minus log b. हाँ या ना? हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me. Anyone
No,
have any
sir.
doubt in this? Yes or
No,
no?
sir,
That,
no doubt.
ठीक है? Got it, Shivansh? Your mistake?
Yes, sir.
Minus 1 by 3 log 5 base 10 plus 1 by 3 log 10 base 10. Sir, this and this will get cancelled. Log 10 base 10 is 1, so the answer is 1 by 3. ठीक है? Yes or no? Okay, Muhil, no issues. I'm just waiting, right? You guys, right? I'm just waiting. Okay. Okay, I'll explain again, right? Just write it down first, then I'll explain once again. Okay. So till this point, everyone got how we found x, 1 by x and 1 by y? Tell me,
Yes,
everyone. Now, according to this problem, 1 by x minus 1 by y is given as 1 by 3. Put the value of 1 by x, which is 1 by 3 log 5 base 10 minus. Now 1 by y is what? Log 5 by 10 base 10. So log a by b is log a minus log b. ये सबको समझ में आया? आया ना? This is step. Everyone, this is step. This is step because log 5 by 10 is log 5, right? Minus log 10. Yes or no? Got it? Raghavi, Nishka, Tanvi?
Sir,
Yes.
here after
Yes.
this, why can't we write one? No, sir. No, sir.
Got it, you got it, right? I guess you
Yes.
understood what you're asking, है ना?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Okay, so this is done. Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me. No doubt? Okay, so we have completed this, है ना? We have completed this. Now, all the remaining questions, you should try once. Okay, right? Now, before test, I will keep 30 minutes of session, 30-minute session on Sunday morning, right? I'll tell you the time, Sunday morning. 30 minutes of session I'll keep to clear all the doubts of point 1, point 2. ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है? Okay? Make sense?
Okay, sir.
ठीक है? So I will
Okay,
discuss if there will be remaining doubts. I'll discuss. Test will be in afternoon, most probably around 2 or 3 p.m. So you can get enough time. After the discussion also, I'll keep discussion around 9, 10-ish, right? 9, 10 o'clock around. So if after the discussion, you can have plenty of time to practice and to work on the test. Okay? Okay? Chalo. I hope all of you enjoyed today's class, right? Learned something new?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Bye-bye. Right? I will tell you the time and it is already uploaded. Please. Muhil, again, right? Don't worry about the test, right? Don't worry about the test. Okay. It is just for your learning, है ना? No one is saying anything to your marks. ठीक है, चलो, okay, bye everyone, take care.